So I have about 30, more or less 30 people on the payroll. We have locations in Quezon City, Makati, Pasay area, Las Piñas area, and Cavite area also. That's for the laundry shop business. And at the same time, I'm also doing life insurance and I'm trying to build this business moving forward this year. And a lot of my friends, family, mga kakilala natin, nagtataka rin, nagtatanong, "Oh, Joseph, paano mo yan ginagawa? How do you manage your personal life, your professional life, your business life, social life, and also your me time, no? Kasi it seems like we're doing so much. And ito yung question na lagi ko natatanggap lately. And I'll be happy to share with you kung paano ko ba siya sinasagot when I get asked that question. First of all, I'm very thankful to be in this kind of position that I'm healthy, active tayo, mobile, and I have time also. Kumbaga, this is God-given na rin na I have this flexibility of time. Also, the business has been a great blessing. It's still a big blessing to me today and moving forward kasi business in the laundry has been around since 1987. This is started by my parents. Then ever since pinanganak ako to, I was born into the business. Bata pa lang ako, I've been walking around the factory, visiting branches. Kakasama ko na talaga yung mga tao namin sa office. No, basically, I grew up also in the business, but not directly handling it or managing any part of the business. But once I finished school, once I came back to the Philippines, I had the chance to learn from scratch, from the ground up talaga, doing uh, all aspect of the business from making reports, checking the items, no, even marketing, yeah, connecting to suppliers, paying the bills, making the payroll, and making big decisions also, finding locations and all other stuff. So I've been very blessed to be in this kind of position, no? And I've started my own business, sold that in a profit also. So marami na po nangyari and there's still a lot more things that I want to accomplish when it comes to the laundry business. So it's just a matter of being in this kind of position and I'm taking not that for granted, but I'm taking max and I'm taking advantage of every potential that I could with this kind of business. So, paano nga ba? The same time, I'm the life insurance business, so I have to meet clients. I go to trainings. I had to attend office meetings with the branch or agency. You know, I have to learn the business from prospecting, approaching potential clients through phone, calling them, texting them, or messaging them on Facebook, setting an appointment, pwedeng online, pwedeng face-to-face, and giving them the presentations and eventually, getting the sale from them. Also, pa ba, asking referrals and giving them service. So, both things take time, no? And we have 24 hours in a day. So, basically, short answer to that question, ito pala guys, ito na yung sagot. I don't manage it, but I really just delegate much of the tasks and activities that as much I could to people that are in the business with me. So in terms ng laundry business, marami na po tayong tao na pwede mapagkatiwala in terms of tasks. Yan, yung mga tasks, mga activities that they can handle themselves. We train them, we give them instructions, especially put systems in place. And I've been blessed na magaling po yung mga tao natin. So I really believe in their potential, in their capacity. And they always do their best in making sure the business runs, business grows, and continues giving the quality service that we promise to our customers. And that's why I have a little bit more freedom and flexibility when it comes to adding on another business to myself. And so, kunyari, wala ako pag Monday, Nandun ako sa insurance, yan, pwede pa naman. It's manageable because I was able to delegate most of the tasks that are very capable, trained na staff within the business can do. So yun lang siguro ma-share ko no for anybody uh, thinking about going into business. At first kasi ganyan din ako excited no. Wanted to do everything by myself. But you can only do so much by yourself. But I think it's also important to learn the basics at first, get the actual experience, and then once you have that actual experience, you can translate that or duplicate that to another person. So once you hire a staff, you can teach them step by step on how to do things and how the process goes within your company. So that's really important step. Um, so yun, and I'm trying to apply that here as I enter the insurance business, learning the basics, all the steps. So once I figure out that, pwede na rin ako makapag-build ng team and eventually sana uh, maging okay yung system namin as a team that we can all work together organically and grow the business together, no? Exponentially naman. So those kind of goals naman. So yun yung question, yun yung answer natin sa sagot na yan. I don't manage, I delegate, and I also pray. I also have the trust to them na they're capable with things din, and I'm always open naman to support them. I'm here naman one text away or one Viber away or one phone call away to my team members.